Okay, so I want to try this where, like you ever heard of what we used to call Richland Special? Anyway, it's where you put ice cream in your cup and then you put like cream soda or whatever over it. Only this time I want to try it with coffee. Drink coffee. Then we're going to try this. I made coffee just like I normally do, with creamer in it. So now I'm just going to pour it over it. Probably make a mess, but we'll see. Okay. Yes, I made a mess. What can I say? Not Martha Stewart. But anyway. Okay, so now we're going to try it. See if it's any good. Oh my god, yeah, that's really good. I have two other ideas. Okay. This one is a coffee liqueur. So we'll just put a shot in there with this. We're gonna sort of like, I guess it's, well, it kind of reminds me of a mudslide, but not exactly, so I'm just gonna put a little bit in there. And then the Irish cream. So I like the St. Brendan's. It's pretty good. Anyway, I like the Kahlua too, but this one I went a little cheaper and got this one, and it tastes good to me, so I'm gonna put that in there too. And now we're going to try it. This is going to be my new favorite coffee recipe. Oh my god, that's so good. It's just delicious, like for real. It's still a little warm, like I had my coffee and I just brewed it, But anyway. Oh my god, that's so good. Like, wow. Imagine starting your day off like this. Probably better on a weekend. Just saying. You don't want to go to work plastered, Especially if you have to drive. Don't do it and drive. Anyway, I just wanted to try a new recipe. Try out my store, the Gypsy Owl. I'll put the link down below. We have coffee, lots of different flavors of coffee, and we just got the pecan pie flavor.